Alright, welcome back for another video, y'all. So today we got my boy with the GLI. He got some parts already. We got more videos coming for more mods. This dude's not playing, man. He over here buying mods back to back. But today we got an APR intake. We about to unbox it right now and show you guys. But yeah, like, my boy ain't playing, man. He's going full bolts on. And you tuning in, right? Maybe. Alright, well, let's open this up and show you guys real quick. Oh shit, we got peanuts in here? Oh damn, let me take it. Oh damn, it really make a freaking mess, bro.
Damn, big ass cone.
Shit, big as hell. God damn. Alright, so everybody's seen the intake. You guys already know what it is and what it does. If you don't, just do your research, it's easy. Brought a damn zip tie. Don't know why. But yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Should've got carbon. Pussy! No, it's fine. This thing is still nice. Still gonna do some stuff, so about to go install it real quick right now and then show you guys after. Alright, here goes the GLI. Y'all already seen it, man. You already know what's going on. About to put on the intake real quick. It's cold as hell. Make sure y'all drop a like for me, please. I've never put an intake on a GLI. I'm gonna be honest, bro. We're gonna make it happen real quick. So I'll show you guys right after. Everybody knows how to put on an intake. If you don't, you're not a car guy. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're about to do the before, how it sounds now, and then we'll do the after we do that. Oh shit. Alright, now we're gonna show you guys how it sounds after. Alright, so we got it out already. Start putting it in real quick. Here you go. It's literally easy as hell. All you gotta do is like disconnect this little hose, this clamp, and after that, it's out. Grab the new one.
Put the little thing in first off.
This?
No, this. Because it's all the way at the bottom.
What the? This German ass shit. Oh, okay. I don't work on Jettas, I work on fucking shit Hondas. Alright, so we already got it in. We got the secondary, whatever you want to call it. And then we got the ARP intake. I don't know why I can't talk right now, but go ahead, bro. Go for it. That sounds really good. You like it?
Hey! Hold on, let me record.
Alright, so about to go ahead and test it out real quick, see how it sounds.